Okay, so hi you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Looking a little crazy right now, but so today I just wanted to share with you guys some ways that I figured I could wear my hair, as far as me being on this hair break and this new hair journey to give my hair a little break because it has been thinning out. But times when I do have places to go, like the gym, I'll show you how I wear my hair and stuff to the gym. And if I want to get cute and go out like on a lunch date or something like that, so I'll show you different things that I wear. So if you're interested to see the ways that I've found to protect my hair while I'm on this little hair journey, then stay tuned. Okay, so first this is how I wear my hair at night. Those twists that you seen in my last video, I did wear them for a week, but I found that they got a lot of loose strands coming out of them and stuff, so they kind of got really frizzy really quick, and that's because it's natural hair and that's just tends to happen. So I took those out, and I just detangled my hair. This is how I'm going to be sleeping at night. Like, this is how I'm going to be protecting my hair at night. I'm going to just braid it in 4 braids every day, and I'm going to put a scarf on at night, and that's it. Okay, but let me show you how I wear my hair when I go to the gym. Okay, so I literally just take my braids out, then I take some oil, some Jamaican black castor oil, and then some grapeseed oil, Jamaican black castor oil, and tea tree oil, like this much. Then I just press it down on top of my hair. Take my dimming brush. So then I just take a rubber band and I put some oil on the rubber band. And I just pull my hair back into a ponytail. No gel, no product, just the oil. And then I wrap the rubber band like two to 3 times. Try not to wrap it as much, so just 2 times is good for me. Take my little ponytail, twist it up. Then I just tuck it under like that and place another rubber band over top. And that is how I've been wearing my hair to the gym, or if I want to go somewhere quick. No product. This is just what I've been doing. The week prior, when I had my hair in a twist, I'll just pull them back just like this in a twist when I was going to the gym. So yeah, this is what I've been rocking. Okay, so then you just gonna jazz yourself up, put your earrings and stuff on. And bam. Okay, you guys, so for this look, I'm going to go ahead and take a stocking cap, and I'm just putting my stocking cap over the braids that I sleep in, and I'm just tucking them into the cap. Okay, then I just slide the cap back a little bit. So that's what that's looking like. And then I take a scarf. This is just the scarf that I sleep in, and I'm going to roll it up as if it was like a Cinnabon or something. So in a little twirl. Then I'm going to take another stocking cap and stuff it inside of the stocking cap, and I'm trying to keep it as flat as possible. So I'm just kind of stretching it out so that it's back into that little swirly shape, and I'm going to set it on top of my head. And then I'm just going to take this long scarf that I got from Flawless. It was $3, okay? And I'm going to proceed to wrap my hair. Now, I'm not going to say much. I'm just going to let you guys watch it, okay? So, boom, here you go. And then I just go ahead and accessorize how I so please to. And that is the final look with the turban. Now I haven't actually worn this out yet. I've been waiting to film this video. I did try the turban on though. But I really do like how this turned out. And I can't wait to wear this out when I have somewhere to go or something like that. Now I did want to actually go ahead and show you how I will style my turban with the outfit. The pants I got from Follis. It's a store out here in LA. The pants were only $5. The shirt was $4 from the men's section in Forever 21. And like I said before, the scarf was $3. So yeah. Okay, so moving on, next we have a wig. Okay, now I am not a wig wearer. This is my first experience with wigs, all right? But I got this wig from my mom. She was going to throw it away, but I kept it, all right? So I don't have the details on that, but you can find something that looks similar to this in stores. Now here, I'm just brushing the wig out, okay? Now, of course, you can always wear your hair like this covered up with the wig, all right? So I'm just showing you guys what that looks like, but I'm not comfortable enough to wear it, but this is an option, all right? Or at least I'm not comfortable to wear it alone because I'm going to put this hat on top. Now I'm just going to go ahead and push my bangs back a little bit and then just situate the hat, and this is my second look, y'all. Okay, so now for this outfit, I went ahead and kept that same shirt on from Forever 21, and then I paired it with these blue high-waisted shorts. These were actually pants that I cut into shorts. I got these from Old Navy some time ago. Don't remember how much they cost, but the hat I got from my local beauty supply store, and it was $13. Okay, so then I went ahead and threw on this jean jacket over this outfit just to, you know, give it a little bit more style or a little bit more detail. This jacket I got from Follis, and it was $10. So leaving on the same outfit, I'm just going to switch it up by throwing on this beanie that I just recently purchased from Forever 21. This beanie was $14. Okay, I absolutely love this beanie so much. It is like the cutest thing I've seen in a while, and I just love the texture on it. It is so really fuzzy, and I just had to get an up close shot so you guys can see that. But yeah, guys, you can also go ahead and switch it up with the beanie as well. And this, I believe, is my favorite look. It's so just like minimal, calm, and cute. So this right here was my favorite one. Okay, so moving on with the next look right here, I have this wig. Now this wig is synthetic just like the last wig. The last wig was synthetic. I don't believe I mentioned that, but it was. Now here are the details. This wig was on sale. Okay, I really was looking for something to try and test out. That's why I bought something cheap like this. But yep, I'm just gonna plop this on. Okay, so here I'm just brushing through the wig just a little bit because I like for the wig to be flat. Even though I'm not going to wear it out, I still like to just brush it down a little bit. Then I like to tuck the wig behind my ears because I just like the way that looks with this particular style. And then I am going to place a hat on. Now I'm just going to give you up close really quick so you can kind of see the lace on this synthetic wig because I just want to show you just in case you were wondering. But yeah, I just go ahead and place my hat on, and boom, there you have it, another look. Okay, so this hat was also purchased from my local beauty supply store, the same one I bought the previous hat from. It was also $13. And then this outfit, once again, I purchased from Follis. This romper right here was only $3. $3. Can you believe that? I love it, and it's so cute. It is a little short, but it is so really cute. All right, but yeah, then I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys how these hats would look with my natural hair. So that's just what this is. Yeah, it's nothing too special. I just want to show you that you can also wear your natural hair with the hats. All right, it's still going to be really cute. It's all in your particular style or what you feel like doing for that day. Yeah, guys, I hope this helps somebody out. Okay, you guys, so that is the end of this video. Let me know what you think about this video down in the comment section. Oh, my eye is itching. Thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate you guys. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this video down in the comment section, and if you might be using some of these styles or ways to help you on your hair journey to healthier hair, because I'm definitely trying to get there. And also, I wanted to mention I did start taking some vitamins and stuff. I want to use them for a month to see how it's gonna work on me, because I have been doing some research. So I just want to put that out there that once I get a good month in, I am going to come in and let you guys know what vitamins I've been taking to help support my healthy hair journey. Anything else I want to tell you guys? Oh yeah, so like with anything, all these wigs and hats and stuff are interchangeable, turbans, however you like to wear them or style them, it's all up to you. But I feel like these are some pretty good ways to protect your hair if you're trying to get back to healthy hair and relieve a lot of tension and stuff on your head. Also, one thing to note is that when I put the wigs on, I do not use the combs that's in there. I kind of just put them on my head, and they're pretty secure. But yes, guys, this is the end of this video. Go ahead and leave your comments and questions down in the comment section, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.